It's going to be a la.
For today's experiment, we're going to need an empty bottle, oil, water, and glitter, and food coloring. First, we're going to put the oil.
Okay, good.
Ah!
Next.
Water?
Yep.
Okay, good. We already added the water and oil, so we're going to add the glitter.
You can put more.
That good?
Okay, that's good.
Now food coloring. Now it's going to be exploding.
Both at the same time.
Do you see that?
It's doing it on that side.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna have a great experiment today. So we're gonna do 3 volcanoes. Don't try this by yourself, okay? So water, vinegar, 3 empty bottles,
Baking soda.
baking soda, whatever food coloring you want, and a pan. So my mom already added the water and the vinegar, so I'm gonna add the food coloring. Time to add the baking soda.
1, 2, 3.
3. Hey guys, welcome back to Amirah Try. So today we're going to do elephant toothpaste. What we need is glasses, soap, empty bottle, peroxide, and food coloring, yeast. Try this by yourself, only with a mama, daddy, big sister, big brother. Then we're going to put the peroxide. Is it enough?
Okay, I think that's enough.
Now food coloring. Oh, not a lot.
Next, so Amirah.
Sorry. Enough?
A little bit more. Okay, that's enough.
It's sticking in it. Look at that.
Okay, next food coloring. Poopsie. See, if it was the stronger one, it would shine up. That is cool. Oh, it's warm. I kind of want to make a bigger one. You want to make a bigger one?
Here you go. Oh my God, here we go again. Bloopy bloop bloop. Here goes. Bloopy bloop bloop. Now we can do it?
No, you have to tell me what. You have to tell me what the stuff is, Amirah. Come on, Amirah.
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Hoovana, oonana. Hey, I got the eyes in you. Hoovana, hoovana, oona. Oh, hoovana, oonana. Hey, hoovana, 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 oonana, hoovana. Dad, this is my mom. This is my dad. This is my sister. So my dad is sitting on the couch,
What are you talking about?
and
Amirah.
my sister is sitting.